morning students. Today we will study reactions of benzene. Halogenation of benzene. Benzene reacts with bromine in presence of FeBr3 to give bromobenzene. Benzene reacts with chlorine to give chlorobenzene. Benzene reacts with bromine to give bromobenzene, and benzene reacts with chlorine to give chlorobenzene. So halogenation of benzene in the presence of bromine will give bromobenzene, in the presence of chlorine will give chlorobenzene. Sulfonation. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 120 degrees centigrade to give benzene sulfonic acid. So, benzene on sulfonation gives benzene sulfonic acid. Mechanism of benzene. In the step 1, SO3, HSO4 minus and H3 hydronium ion is formed, and in step 2, electrophile will attack on benzene to give carbonium ion. In the step 3, carbonium ion, loss of proton from C dash H bond. This is C dash H bond, loss of proton takes place, and here double bond is formed. And in step 4, we are getting the final product. So, from H3O plus, H plus get added, and you are getting benzene sulfonic acid, and H2O is released. This is the energy profile diagram. On the x-axis, the progress of reaction, on the y-axis, potential energy. This is the step 1 and this is the step 2. Step 2 is having more energy than step 1 is having more energy than step 2. This type of diagram is known as energy profile diagram. Next, Friedel-Crafts acylation of acetylation. Benzene on the base of acetyl chloride and aluminum chloride gives acetophenol. So this RCH3CO is the acyl group. If acyl group is added, the reaction is known as acylation, because acetyl group is added, so it is known as acetylation. So in the place of CH3 another ethyl methylene, the propyl group is added, then it is known as acylation reaction. It is specific example is acetylation, because acetyl group is reactive. This type of reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene in the presence of alkyl halide will, in the presence of aluminum halide will give alkyl benzene. This is R is the alkyl group, and alkyl group is added on benzene, and so it is known as alkyl benzene. Such type of reaction is known as alkylation reaction. Next, nitration of benzene. So, benzene on nitration in presence of sulfuric acid and nitric acid gives nitrobenzene. So, nitric acid, this sulfuric acid, nitric acid will give nitronium ion. So, first the step 1, nitronium ion, NO2 plus is formed. In the second step, the NO2 attacks benzene ring to form sigma complex or aluminum ion, which is stabilized by resonance. So, here nitronium ion is attacking on benzene ring, and so nitronium ion gets added on this benzene ring, and the ion form, carbonium ion form is resonance stabilized. This is also known as aluminum ion. Aluminum ion is resonance stabilized. So, these three resonance forms are there. Then the resonium ion loses a proton and gives nitrobenzene. This is the final product. Nitrobenzene is formed, and this is the final product. This H plus removed, in the reacts with base to give BH. Base is formed, and here we are getting nitrobenzene is the final product. Thank you.